I just had to have a moment of silence because I spent a lot of time, quote unquote time, in silence. And the energy that governs, keyword govern, that governs nature, the real world, this is what it told me to make in this video. That when you look at the word energy, because that's what I've been doing. I've been obsessed with breaking up the English language, doing, I guess it's called gematria. I don't know what the fuck it is. But anyway, just breaking up words, quote unquote, simple words that is still hold a lot of volume to it, and breaking it up into, what you call syllables, right? So when you look at energy, break it up. N-er-G, right? Your true world, the in here, is energy. They say you go to hell for tapping into your energy, for tapping into your soul, your spirit, for tapping into the very energy that moves birds, the very energy that moves whales in the ocean, the very energy that moves octopuses is inside of you. And they fill millions of people with fear of going into a place that doesn't exist to keep them from experiencing paradise, which is all around us every single sunrise. Once again, the same energy that moves you and I is not the same energy powering this Apple, right? Apple and the guy powering this iPhone. It's chess. It's invisible. Like, even all that I just said and am explaining is not even what I'm truly feeling. It's just like, I'm just letting the truth work through me. But like anything else, you got to experience it. The fasting, the sunbathe, the earthing. Once you do that, once